how to turn off or on Amazon Clinic permissions on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and now click these three lines here and then click settings, and after that click permissions. Now just wait few seconds, and that's it. Here we'll find Amazon Clinic. Now if you want to turn it on, click on it and allow storage and camera. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.